Looking for a cordless circular saw that combines brushless motor technology with battery innovation? Introducing the world's first cordless 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw. It's powered by two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, so you get 36 volts of power and runtime, but without leaving the 18-volt battery platform. The helical gear system is engineered for better transmission efficiency over current gear styles. With no oil needed and no brushes to replace, that means easy maintenance for you. The Makita-built, electronically controlled brushless motor delivers up to 5,100 RPM for efficient cutting. This new original delivers. It can make up to 558 crosscuts in 2x4 lumber on a single charge. This saw can cut a 3x in a single pass with a full 2 9/16 inch cutting capacity. It also has soft start and an electric brake for maximum productivity. The saw has a die-cast magnesium base and blade guard, which combines durability with less weight. For the most demanding cuts, automatic speed change technology goes to work. This automatically adjusts the speed and torque under load for optimum cutting performance.
We're here in Seattle, Washington, getting ready to start a big research facility. Today we're preparing to create a duct bank to run some temporary power through. It's surprising to have a battery-powered saw that doesn't bog down. The cut's really clean, it's fast, there's no boggy feeling at all, there's no awkward jam feeling that you get as you're running it. Uncanny how well it performs.
I liked it. I like the saw. The fact that it's easy to get your hand on and two hands on the saw for better control.
It was great. I love the power of the saw. It's lightweight, perfect for what I do. This is a great feature. Tether it right here. You've got the setup so you don't drop the saw over the edge.
I cut everything with a new saw, it's really nice, really comfortable. Everything is good, the power is really nice, Control, it's exactly what you need. Easy. I buy it. It's sweet. It's very cool, it's very comfortable, and it feels good, very strong. Perfect.
The saw features extreme protection technology, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries with the fastest charge times in their categories. Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty.
Without cords, it's almost like you have to retrain your brain to know that there's not a cord there, because so much of your cutting process when you're making long rips have to do with where your cord is.
Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.